How to create Amazon affiliate marketing account. Open any browser. Go to amazon.com. Select sign in. Give your email address. Continue. Give your password. Sign in. You will get a notification to your mobile number. Approve it. After approval, a new page will open. Select your account. Go to the bottom of the website and select Become an Affiliate. Sign up. Your name and address in the box are already here. Who is the main contact for this account? Select the payee listed above and then select next. Now add your website address or YouTube channel link or any link for affiliate. You can add up to 50 website or mobile apps. Give your link here. Select add. Then select next. Select no. Then confirm. Give your store ID. Your website listed here. Write a short description about your website or mobile apps. Which of the following topics describes your websites or mobile apps? Select from the list. Select another topic. What type of Amazon items do you intend to list on your website or mobile apps? Select from the list. You can select all of them. What type are your website or mobile apps? Select from the list. There are 4 options. I am selecting here. Select another type. Traffic and monetization. How do you drive traffic to your website? How do you utilize your website or apps to generate income? How do you usually build links? How many total unique visitors to your websites and apps get per month? What is your primary reason for joining the Amazon Associates program? How did you hear about us? Write the captcha on the box. Select the agreement and then select finish. Thank you for applying to the Amazon.com Associates program. Your unique Associates ID is this. If you want to enter your payment and tax information now, select now or later. Check your email. Select your country code. Now give your desired number. Send OTP. You will get an OTP to your mobile number. Enter the OTP here. Select continue. Are you monetize international traffic? You can now receive earnings in an international bank account. There are three options: skip payment and continue with tax information. What is your tax classification? Select individual. For US tax purpose, are you a US person? No. Are you acting as an intermediary agent or other person receiving payment on behalf of another person as a flow-through entity? Select no. Tax identity information. Give your full name here. You can change your address here. There are three reasons why are you not able to provide a TIN. The country where I am liable to pay tax doesn't issue TINs to its residents. I have applied for a TIN but haven't received it yet. I could not or have not obtained TIN from my local authorities because of other reasons. Select any one of them and then continue. Locations of services performed. All services will be performed outside the US. All services will be performed inside the US. Services will be partially performed inside and outside of US. I will select here for all service will be performed outside the US. Signature, type your full name here. The date is already here. Save and preview. You will get tax information. Submit form. Your tax information has been received and successfully validated. Exit interview. Now the page will load and you will find out the Amazon Associates page. Click on text and you will get the affiliate link. Copy it and paste it to your website or any social media platform to earn from affiliate marketing.